Hello everybody, it is me, Mr. Paulus54, and we're gonna be playing Garden of Ban because this seems to be popular, and I need to get my YouTube views out of the gutter. Since I've been gone for the past 3 months, my views have probably gone to actual dog poop. So because I need a way to get back, we're gonna do this game. Not because I want to, because I need to. So let's get into this because I need to. Woohoo, DuckTales. Woohoo. For a parent looking for their missing child is a delicate... What? Oh, cool. Look, we can advance time. Yo! Oh my god. Look at the No, it's red? Is it like the red? I'm not gonna try and be funny here. I'm not funny at all. This is... I'm not looking forward to playing this. I've heard nothing but negativity about this, and I don't expect this to be like an out... Oh my god. Is this runnable? Is this like an actual game that can run? Well, at least it looks better than what they posted on Twitter for the trailer. Like, this does not run. The camera does not work in the slight. Can I get in here at all? No, we need a key card. Where would they keep... And this is supposed to be a kindergarten, apparently. I don't think this is legal in the slightest. So, now time to either spend 5 minutes on this or 40 minutes on this. So, I'm getting caught on everything. What is going on? Okay. Look at these character designs. Look at this guy. Look at this Sesame Street looking reject. And then this guy is just a color swap of this person. What is going on? Oh boy. Oh, it's been, that's funny. Okay. Time to actually, start trying to progress in the game. I think there's supposed to be something on here. Either I'm blind as a bat, which is a real Is that... Yeah, I don't even think we might get any progress done in this video. I think we might just spend like 10 minutes talking about how awful it is. Because, holy moly. Oh, there. Stupid me. Okay, can I pick it? Okay, there, we got the key card. Oh my, yeah, we got the key card. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we got a... Is that a Roblox texture? Oh, cool. We need 2 AA batteries. Can you find the AA batteries? That's a trash can again. That's a table. Oh, there... Was that there before? Cool, we got a 1 battery. And assuming that the batteries would probably be in the same area, there's going to be another battery over here, maybe. Oh, there it is. Cool. Now we got the second battery. Let's go back to that drone. Oh. I didn't even need to put them in. It just... Ooh. Button. Is it gonna move? Okay. Okay, at least it's a decent bit fast. And there's a button over there. Cool, let's get the drone to fly into that, and then... Oh yeah, I should probably mention, we are not doing the second one or the third one. I will never touch those, because those actually cost money. And if I can actually... Oh, yo, is that OPILA bird? Is that OPILA bird from Twitter? It's gonna... Do I need to button? Yo, is that OPILA bird in the dark? Gosh. Okay, I'm done with the OPILA bird jokes. Cool, so we need to get something to open this somehow. So, sharing is caring. Your pancreas... What? Hey, guys, I think we found a villain more evil than Bendy from No, I think we found a villain more evil than Thanos. Okay, but is this supposed to be open? Because I swear I see something in there. But, for now, Are these chairs just insane or something? Because I think that's a real possibility. Okay, no, we can't get in there. We can't get in there. Can I go in here? Yeah, we can go in here, but it's way too dark to even see anything, so... Hope this was... Yeah, no, we're not going in here until I can find something to actually help. So let's, maybe call the drone over here. Maybe it can, go into that button from there or something, or... I don't know. But... Only thing I do know is that I have no idea where to go right now, and I'm probably just being stupid, because, like, look, oh. You're telling me that whole time? Okay, okay, we need to feed OPILA bird. Oh, there's an egg. We need to feed, oh my god, what is that texture? We need to feed OPILA bird 6 eggs, and who knows, maybe that will make her texture not look like, you know, not awful, because, like, did they spend more than 6 minutes on this? And I can't, okay, there, I can pick up the egg. I was scared there for a second that I would, you know, have to play more Garten of Ban. Okay, so now we gotta wait for the drone. Yeah, but you guys want to see more gameplay uploads that isn't Garten of Ban? Yeah, that'd be great, because I really, these are the kind of videos I want to make most of the time, but, yeah, shorts just is more popular. Can the drone come here? There's the drone. Come here, drone. If there's one takeaway from this game, I can make the drone ram into things, and that is slightly comedic. Alright, come here, the drone. Oh my god. Oh my god, kill path. On a war mission or something. Hello, dude. Like, I'll give it this. At least this thing's speedy. And then, yeah. I swear to this game is doing, and I've played some pretty bad mobile games in my lifespan, but this takes the cake. This takes many of the cakes. Like, okay, come here to the slide. Go down the slide, please and thank you. I'm about to pick up this drone and never mind the child. I'm gonna beat the heck out of this drone. First and foremost, I'm gonna actually just, pile okay, let's go try something else, because that does not seem to be working in the slightest. Try from the bottom of the slide, maybe. Or not, because the drone is on a warpath, so let's just get it down to, you know, basic level before we start ramming into things and actually, you know, destroying the drone. Which honestly be nice. Is this gonna... This drone is so stupid, I want to punch it. This drone isn't even funny anymore, it's just annoying. There. Now, go into the slide. Okay, let's just do something else for now. Nothing. Probably because that button isn't red, so let's go see if I can find legitimately anything else that we can work on while we're, So we got 2 out of the 6 eggs that we need, which is good. This will not open, so, Why does he want the pancreas? Look at this, the ooga booga. That is literally what I said in the testing to see if the microphone would work. What is going on? Hello, OPILA bird. Please help me, I can't find where I'm going. Take your egg and... Wait, isn't that technically cannibalism? No, we're not getting into if Garden of Banban is cannibalism or not. I literally cannot figure out where to go right now. God, I feel stupid right now. Can you come here, drone? Can you, like, come to my current location, please? Did it just... Where's the drone? There it is, Can you... Okay, good, it's working now. Go up the slide. Am I really gonna need to look up a Let's Play? Because I'm certain I don't want to have to use the editor. The editor makes the aspect ratio actually just disintegrate. Okay, come on, up the slide. Where does it go when I... Okay, no, we're done in here. Oh. Egg. Give me the egg. Why can't I not pick up the... Oh, this game is awful. Okay, there, I have to go on the edge of the egg to pick it up. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. There's a 4th egg. Now we literally need 2 more, and now we need to summon from here. Pretty sure we can just crash into this. Can I open this? No, we cannot open that. Maybe there's something out in the main area that we can get. Alright, I am back, and, let's check in here, I guess, and, not seeing much, but, yeah, I don't know. I'm probably just being stupid because I can't see anything, but, I mean, I beg to differ. This game really hasn't... It's just like, oh, find the 6 eggs. That chair just went flying. But the problem is, I know there's something to do with the slide. I know there's something to do with turning on that button. Problem is, I'm kind of stumped, and it's probably just me being stupid because I can't find anything. Probably, like, right in front of my face. They could crawl under that. Like the main character could crawl under that. Feed OPILA bird. Burb. The burb is the burb. Burb. Burb is the burb. Ayo, the bird up. Yeah, I need to make the joke for every Garden of Banban playthrough. Comment hashtag bird up if you are a part of the bird up movement with OPILA bird. There's the 5th egg. We only need the 1 for the slide now, and then we can progress, I guess. Unless I'm being stupid and it's in plain sight. Wait a second. I remember seeing on that live stream for the charity event. It's on the slide somewhere. Like it's in here or something. No, here it is. I remember seeing that. The orange guy with the long things. He got really mad and then I don't remember who, but someone told him it and then he just kind of lost it. I'm feeling him right now. This game is truly making me feel like I want to rip OPILA Bird's head off, but since all of the characters are made out of clay, they'd be fine. Did it hit the button? Did it hit the button? Oh, it did. We got the last egg. OPILA burb. I got your last eggs so you can consume them and then go to have children in the next game. How does that even work? Consume. Consume the egg. Consume the egg, OPILA burb. Do I have to point the cursor at her mouth? No, if I did, yeah, now it should cough up the key card, I think. There we go. You are incredibly disgusting, and thank you. Yo, maybe we should take into consideration that that Foxy theory from FNAF 1, where OPILA Bird is actually trying to help us defeat Garten of Banban. I feel so stupid right now. Like, this isn't even funny. Anyway, the drone gonna do something. Do I need to point it? Here, the point. Come on, work. There. Oh! Okay, yeah, that just kind of happened. Fly into the button. Fly the drone. Whoa, what the heck? Okay, hit the button, come on. I'm done with this. Okay, yeah, go. Bunk. Okay, now what? Oh. Ooh, hammer time. Alright, now let's go to those boards from earlier. And I just realized there has been no audio this entire game. Not that there need to be much. This game has no soundtrack from what I've heard. Maybe the second one has a bit of soundtrack, but really, who wants to listen to the Garten of Banban soundtrack? Okay, there's the button. Okay, hit that. There's a thing coming. Alright, Alright, there's the platform. Is it moving? Is it? Oh, no. Here it is, This seems incredibly unsafe to be at a kindergarten. Just saying. Not that Garten of Banban is based in reality, but, I don't remember my kindergarten having a giant bottomless pit that I could fall in and die. Or maybe I'm just misremembering things. Who knows? Anyway, there, we got through that. What was my color? Okay, yeah. You're red. You're white. You're green. There. Now, you were, you're purple, because, you know, you'll appear, no, okay, so William Afton's the man behind the slaughter. So what if OPILA Bird is the burb behind the slaughter in this game? Why am I going so in depth to this? This is not gonna go anywhere. What are we talking about here? This is the Garten of Banban lore. Is anyone here really gonna take the Garten of Banban lore seriously? It's Garten of Banban. Oh, I did it. Nice. Okay, here's the orange key card. Now we just need... Oh. Drone, I need the help, the drone. Oh, gosh. It's Burb Up. Oh, no. Burb Up is coming to kill me. Burb Up's about to end my life. Hello, Burb Up. I'm about to die. Come on. Come on, you stupid seed. Burb, burb, burb. Burb is the burb, 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 burb. Burb is the burb. What am I supposed to do now? Burb, burb, burb. Burb is the burb. The burb has killed us. So sad. How will we recover from the sin? Okay, that was the best game over screen I've ever seen in my life. Oh, press interact to be reincarnated. Cool. Guess who's back? Back again. Okay, oh, yeah, now we fly into that. Fly into the button. Go, drone. Go into the button. Into the button, go. Bye-bye, burb. Burb is the burb, 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 burb. Oh, what? The burb, burb, burb. Burb is the burb. The burb killed us. God, this game is silly. Anyway. We should get him this time. We'll come back swinging in the third quarter. Come on, we gotta kill OPILA bird now. Okay, shouldn't the button turn red? Like, shouldn't the button be turning red if I'm not mistaken? Okay, I need to dupe her. Get onto the swing. Hit the button. I can't even reach. Look, she's over there. She's chilling. We don't need to worry about the cinematic icon, OPILA burb. My real question is, what should I do now? So, like, the button won't work here. The button will work, but, I swear this game is stupid. So, what we're supposed to do, I think, is hit the button, and she's gonna fall to her death. Problem is, I cannot do that for some reason, because, I am certainly having quite the skill issue right now, so, the drone, please help. Kill her, the drone. Kill OPILA bird. Or not. Oh my god, this wasn't supposed to happen. Like, can I just move by? Thank you, OPILA burb. Thank you, you cinematic icon. Bye, OPILA burb. Bye, OPILA burb. Sorry for killing you. Well, she's dead. Well, she will live on as the only memorable part about this game. This door. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, no, we got the orange key card for in here. Anyway, let me in. I want to get this over with so I can upload this and then get ready for, like, the upload tomorrow. What puzzle do I gotta do now? Where's the... Okay, so I need to get something. We need to get a purple key card. Ugh, No, I grabbed an orange one from the one place, but there's no... Okay, before we move back into there and start searching everywhere just for it to be 20 minutes later, let's go check back in there to see if, So, is there a key card? Is there a key card in the trash? Nope. Hello, computer. Is there a key card? Oh, a note. Neat. But I do not care about the lore of this game in the slightest. Yeah, let's just go look around, I guess. Since We killed literally the only thing that can kill us. So this game is now turned into a... There's a VHS tape and a tape recorder. If you guys care about the Ban Lord all for you. Neat. I'm here to beat the game if you don't mind. So can you... There's nothing. There's literally nothing coming out of it. I don't know if the video can hear it, but nothing. So yeah, we're just gonna look around, and if we can't find it for the next 20 minutes, I'ma just look up a YouTube walkthrough. Can't go in there. Maybe that one door's open now since we put in that tape. Nope. Is there anything in here? No. That's where we got the hammer. Oh god, where is the key card? I swear to... Is it in here? I need to look through here again. Is it in the room where we murdered OPILA Bird? We killed the cinematic icon OPILA Bird. I don't know. I'll cut back in when I find it. Alright, I'm back, and yeah, there's a button under here that I didn't see earlier, so yeah, now we gotta hit this button, and if the drone would like to actually work for once, please work. I was hitting the wrong button like an idiot. Still, please, get this over with. I want to go play an actually good game, like Mario Kart or something. I don't know. Did that work? Did it hit it? Did it work? Here, wait. No. Am I dumb, or is this not... Oh. There. Now. Something's happening. Ooh, it's the giant pit of death. Yeah, I don't really know how to fill out this video, so, Oh. Would you look at that? Can I go? Oh, okay, we're getting on. Let's hit the button. And now, we're on our way down to who knows where. No, the drone. No, that's fine. It's just the drone. Ooh, this looks foreboding. Oh, what's shaking? What is shaking? What is shaking here? What is it? Yo, oh no, it's red. It's red. What's gonna happen? Oh no, what is possibly gonna happen in this game that we are playing right now? What, am I missing something? Oh, well, that was Jumbo Josh. Everyone say hi to him, because he's dead. And now the game, I think it's over. Yay, we did it. We beat Garten of Ban. Never again. So, thank y'all for watching. We will never play another Garden of Banban game on this channel. I hope you all know that. And please like and subscribe and watch some of these shorts. I really want to get the channel back up after the break, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye!